Welcome to Tiger Dumpsters, your premier destination for top-quality dumpster rental services. Are you in need of efficient waste management solutions for your next project? Look no further. At Tiger Dumpsters, we understand that managing waste can be challenging, whether tackling a home renovation project, clearing clutter, or overseeing a construction site. That's why we're here to provide reliable and convenient dumpster rental services to meet your needs. With various sizes and configurations available, Tiger Dumpsters ensures we have the perfect solution for you. And with our prompt delivery and flexible rental options, you can trust that your waste management needs will be met efficiently and conveniently. At Tiger Dumpsters, we offer more than just dumpsters. Our experienced team is dedicated to delivering exceptional service, guiding clients through the rental process, and addressing any questions or concerns. With competitive pricing and a commitment to reliability, Tiger Dumpsters is your trusted partner for efficient and stress-free dumpster rental services. So why wait? Contact Tiger Dumpsters today at 781-665-7017 or visit our website at www.tigerdumpsterma.com to learn more about our dumpster rental services. Tiger Dumpsters, where convenience meets reliability.